Well, hello. I am eating dinner tonight at a Ruth Chris steakhouse because I've had. Oh, great! Thank you.
Do you want any fresh cut pepper?
Yes, please. That'd be great. I've had a heck of a day, and I decided I was going to eat somewhere good. So I've had this Ruth Chris.
Just let me know when.
That's good.
All right.
Thank you.
No problem.
And naturally, I'm starting with a wedge salad. And I'll just tell you, it looks very much like the ceiling. It looks very blah. I don't see any balsamic. I see the ceiling. I've got to get my stand again. I don't see any pecans. Do you? Okay, I've got that fixed. Let's try this wedge. Well, it's all right. Lakeside and the Raven still hasn't beat. Okay, there was nothing special about that wedge at all. It was lettuce, bacon, and blue cheese. The bread is better. That's really good bread. Okay, the stuffed chicken breast is sizzling like a sausage. I think I'll just wait a while. Well, the chicken breast is really good. The stuffing is really good. I give the chicken breast a thumbs up. I give the wedge salad thumbs down.